Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the best free alternative to Cloud Code and it's called Open Code. What's the best part? I'll show you how you can create your first project using Open Code step by step. Now, Cloud Code is a great AI coding tool, but it's not free. So, if you are looking for something that gives you the same power without paying a cent, then Open Code is your best choice. It's open source, private, and works directly on your local system. So right now I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode on your system and create a project using OpenCode AI. So for it, just go to your browser. Then in the browser, search for OpenCode, and here you can see opencode.ki. So you need to click here, and if you now go down here, you can see we have some option here. So here you can see npm. So we are going to click on npm. Then we need to copy this, and here in order to run this command, you need to have node.js installed on your system. So here you can see node.js. So after coming to this website, click on download, and from here you can install node.js, and it is really simple to install. So you need to have node.js installed on your system. After that, just copy this command, then go to your Windows search option, right over here cmd. Here you can see command prompt, and you just need to paste the command here, then press enter, and it will install OpenCode on your system. And it will take a few seconds, and there you can see this done. So we have OpenCode installed in our system. So now we can just close our browser, then we'll go to our folder, and let me just create a folder, and let's say the folder name will be Open Code Project. You can name the folder anything. Then let's go inside the folder, and here we're going to click at the top, right over here cmd, press enter, and it will open the command prompt. And here in the command prompt, in order to have access to the Open Code AI, you need to say over here Open Code, then press enter, and you will see an interface like this. So right now let's over here build me a to-do app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and press enter, and it will start creating the files over here automatically and create the project for us. There you go, there you can see, and there you go, it is done. So here you can see to-do list. Let's over here test, then click on add task. There you can see the task is added. If I now click on delete, it will be deleted. So you can not only create HTML CSS file, you can also create some complex project like PHP, Laravel, Django, Python, React, any project. I have tried those myself. I also created a Laravel project and Django project with this. So it is not as good as Cloud Code, but this is the best free AI coding assistant tool I could find. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try and try different prompt to create different kind of website. Whether it's Django, Laravel, PHP, doesn't matter. It's really good for a free coding AI assistant tool. So yeah, this is all. And if you want me to make anything related to AI, just comment and I will make that tutorial for you. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future videos.